Hello students, welcome to our AriserTalent. I am your maths faculty Arpita Sharma. Students, we were studying chapter application of trigonometry of class 10th, right students? And we were in the middle of something like doing questions. Okay, so we were discussing some aeroplanes over there, right? And we are going to move forward with that. So we will be having a question here. This is, if the length of a shadow cast by a pole be root 3 times the length of a pole, find the angle of elevation of the sun. Students, well, it's very easy, but it can come in two forms. If you are doing it in some competitive exam, it's like multiple choice question, then you have to do it in another way. And if you are going to do it in a written exam and it's for 4 marks or 3 marks, then in that case you have to do it in another way. We'll talk about both ways. First of all, we will be going to draw the diagram of this. If a length of a shadow cast by a pole, so we are having a pole here, right? So let's have a pole here. The shadow was somewhat like this, it will be like this only. So it's saying if the shadow cast by the pole is root 3 times the length of pole. Now let's suppose length of pole is L. It's a point A, it's a point B, it's a point C. This is what we have given in question. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. So sun will, let us draw a typical sun here. Okay, so angle of elevation of sun, okay, was what? This. Now this angle is what? This. Okay, here. So basically this angle is something we don't know, and we have to find out that particular thing. So this angle is equals to this angle now. So what we'll do, we'll sort our diagram first. Okay, we know how to make our diagram now. We know what is being asked. Okay, so we have to find out this angle, and we have given this is root 3 times this pole length. Okay, the length of the shadow cast by a pole be root the length of a shadow. So the shadow's length by a pole is root 3 times the length of pole. So shadow's length will be root 3 times of length of pole. Okay. Now how we solve it, student? We all know for this solution what we are going to have, that in triangle ABC we are going to have reverse thing. In the previous questions we will be having the theta here and we will have to find the other things. Now in this question we are not having the theta, we have to find theta with the help of other given things. So in triangle ABC I am having tan of theta, theta is not given, equals to AB by BC. Now AB, let length of pole equals to L. So this implies that tan theta is equals to AB, which is L, and BC equals to root 3 by L, because AB equals to, BC equals to root 3 AB. Okay, and this was given in the question. Okay, so what you will find, that L and L will cancel out, implies that tan theta equals to what? 1 by root 3, students. Okay. Now you are having value of tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So the value of theta will be what? You are having 0, 1 by 2 here, and 1 by root 1 by root 3 by 2 here. So, we'll eventually 1 by root 3 as the value of angle 30 degree at the value of tan 30 equals to what? 1 by root 3. So, from here you can say that angle will be equals to what? 30 degree, right? So, this is our answer, students. This is how you write in, if you have to written it like this, if you have given me the questions some 3 or 4 objective type questions, answers, then you just write it like this. This is L, this is root 3 by L, sorry, this is root 3L, and you have asked with the angle theta. Just write L, this perpendicular by base, root 3L, L cancel, 1 by 3, at which angle theta's value is 1 by root 3, okay, angle 30 degree. So, 30 degree is answer, okay. Okay. Now, I am going to rub this question and we will move further to the next question. Okay, students. Our next question is about a statue. Now, this statue is 1.6 meter tall, right? Stands on the top of a pedestal. Statue is one thing, pedestal, above the pedestal. Now, if I am having this pedestal, then this is the statue, okay. Now, what's saying that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a top of a statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Okay. So, I'll design a pedestal here. So, something like here it's a pedestal, and in that pedestal you are having some beautiful what? Statue, something like this. Okay. So, you are having this statue. This is the statue, right? This is the statue. Now, this is the height of the statue from here to here. This is the height of the statue. Now, here to here, this is the height of pedestal. Now, from a point on a ground, now I have to check a point on ground. So, this is my ground and this is my point I am having. Okay. Angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Now, I am watching the top of the statue here. So, it will be what? I am given it with the 60 degree. It's 60 degree. Okay. And from the same point, from this same point, the angle of elevation of the pedestal. This is the pedestal. So, its angle is, what is given? 45 degree it is given. From the same point, I am watching the top of the statue. From the same point, I am watching the pedestal. So, for the top of the statue, I am having my angle what? 60 degree, and for the pedestal, I am having my angle 45 degree. Okay. Find the height of the pedestal. Now, I have to find this height is what? When this statue's height is given that it is 1.6 meter tall. Okay, students, mark it. It's a complete line. Okay, so it is A and it's B and it's C, and in between I am having this D here. Okay, and I have provided with AD 1.6 meter. So, let us start finding this value with the solution. What is the solution here? We are having two angles. We are having two triangles. We have considered this, which I have to find is equals to x. Okay, what else? Now, in triangle, what is our favorite triangle, students? ABC. So, in triangle ABC, what will be having? Tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. You can write it like tan theta in our traditional way, tan theta equals to P by B. So, you can write it tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? 1.6 plus x, or you can say AB by BC. Now, put the values, implies that tan 60 degree is equals to what? Root 3. AB equals to what? AB 1.6 x, 1.6 meter plus x. And value of BC, value of BC is value of BC, BC, okay. Now, that will be equals to BC equals to 1.6 meter plus x by root 3. This is 1. Now, we will take the another triangle. Now, triangle DBC. Triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, again tan theta equals to P by B. This implies that tan 45 degree, because angle is given 45 degree, equals to P. Perpendicular is what? This DB, which is x by this base BC. Okay. So, from here we can write tan 45 is 1. So, BC equals to x. This is second. This was first. Now, students, what will we do? We have to find the value value of x. So, we will equating equation 1 and 2. So, after equating these two equations, what I am getting is x equals to what? 1.6 meter plus x by root 3. How can I rewrite it? Root 3x from here, then minus x here equals to 1.6 meter. Okay. Now, I can write this taking x common, root 3 minus 1 equals to 1.6 meter. Okay, can I write this equals to 1.6 root 3 minus 1 and dividing and multiplying it with root 3 plus 1. Okay, that will give you, I have told you, root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1 will always give you 2. Okay, so that will be equals to what? 1.6 divided by 2. So, what you can rewrite it as? You will be rewriting it as 1.6 divided by 2 is 0.8 multiply by root 3 plus 1. This is the value of what? Value of x. So, ultimately, students, you will be having this value. So, what you can say? The height of pedestal from ground is 0.8 root 3 plus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Note it, students. Then we will move to the next question. Okay. Okay, students. So, the next question is, do we have any next question here? Yes, an electrical pole. We are having, lot of electrical pole here. Electrical pole. Okay, so this electrical pole is 10 meter high, and if shadow is 10 meters, its shadow is 10 meter and its pole is also 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter. These are pole AB, and this is C. A, B and C. Now just meet that. Now what it's saying, find the elevation of the sun. Elevation of sun is what? This theta, because somewhere from here, this is your sun. From your sun, you will be having this angle of elevation from horizon, and it will lie like this here. So, angle of elevation is what? Theta. Now, you have to find the elevation of the sun. We will conclude this also with a significant line I am going to tell you. Okay. So, in this I am having only one triangle. So, solution in triangle what? ABC. I am having what? Tan theta equals to what? Perpendicular upon base. Now, tan theta equals to perpendicular, which is 10 meter, and base, which is 10 meter. So, it will give you what? It will cancel out, and tan theta will be equals to 1. Now, tan theta is equals to 1 at theta equals to 45 degree. Tan theta equals to 1. So, theta equals to 45 degrees. This is your answer. Now, students, take care of this thing, that whenever you will be having two sides equal, you know this, if you are having two sides equal, then the angle will be of 45 degree, because you are having this this is an angle, right angle triangle, this is of 90 degree, and summation of these two angles is also 90 degree, because these are two remaining angles. Now, if this side is equals to this side, this meaning is these both angles will be equal, isosceles triangle. So, this angle will be equals to this angle. Now, that means 90 by 2 will be the each angle. So, that will be 45 degree. So, again, if you are having in your exam, you are given with the two sides and you are giving options like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree. So, if you are given with the same sides, two sides same, then you have to tick on the only 45 degree. Okay, that will be 45 degree. Right, students? I am going to rub this. So, please note this. So, I am sort of sure that you will able to understand all the questions with the language here, whether it's of swimming, whether it's of some pole or some sun or some rock or some pedestal, some statue, the heights are given or the thetas are given, something is given and something is to be asked from you, then you will be very able to understand the question and also solve the question and find the answer, student. So, this is for this particular lecture. Students, then do one thing, revise complete chapter and keep watching, students. Thank you.